How to handle payments and invoices on Peopleperhour. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Payments from the drop-down menu. Here you can view your available balance, pending payments, and completed transactions. Peopleperhour allows you to manage multiple payment methods like PayPal, Pioneer, and bank account. Make sure your payment accounts are verified to avoid delays. To handle invoices, go to the Invoices section under Payment. You can create, send, and track invoices for each project. Make sure to include accurate project details, hours worked, and agreed upon rates to prevent disputes. You can also set invoices to auto-generate for recurring projects. Peopleperhour also provides payment tracking, showing when a client has viewed, approved, or paid on invoice. If there are delays, you can send payment reminders directly from the platform. Regularly reviewing your payments and invoices ensures a smooth workflow, timely withdrawals, and professional client relationship. Now you know how to handle payments and invoices on Peopleperhour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.